6 Ways to Speed Up Your Kentico Website Development. Kentico CMS allows designers to make web applications quickly by utilizing an enormous measure of highlights effectively present inside the product. With these features often comes complex, dynamic data and functionality. In order to avoid issues with performance and speed of the website, few practices have proven effective to ensure Kentico application is offering the maximum performance in terms of speed and efficiency at the same time. Caching. Kentico has put a great deal of development into providing multiple ways to cache your application. Site-level caching, page-level caching, control-level caching, delayed loading. Kentico allows the developer to delay loading controls involving certain changing variables, which are impossible to actually cache. Competent design. Another major cause of poor site performance can be the design and functionality of the site itself. Website hosting. Always preferable to go for a dedicated hosting service and the most ideal web server configuration. Back-end coding. Clean and efficient coding practices will speed up the website development. Database configuration. Kentico comes with a number of views and indexes pre-configured to help the performance of a site.